Well, hey everybody, welcome back to Haggett Hill. We're down in our basement in my family room. Got a little project I need to work on. The fireplace behind me, the transmitter went out of it. Actually, the receiver for the transmitter. So watch along as we take out the old transmitter and receiver box and we put in a new Wi-Fi smart control unit. Alright, so here's what I bought off of Amazon. Here's all the parts to it. Here's the actual control unit that's Wi-Fi. It's got leads going out. Here, these go to the blower. These wires go to the gas valve, which is a millivolt style gas valve. Here's a remote temperature sensor. Here's how it's powered. Just a USB-C cable. And then there's a regular 120 splitter, and you plug it in, plug this in behind the fireplace. Power supply plugs into it, and then the power supply for the blower blows into it. This is a DuraBlow system. If you're interested in converting your fireplace to Wi-Fi, I'll put a link down below in the description. And I'm also an Amazon affiliate. You can click on that link. It'll cost you the same amount, but I'll make a little commission off of it. So these are the parts that we'll be using. Let's get back out to the fireplace. Alright, so I got the bottom of the fireplace opened up so you can see what's going on. The aftermarket blower I put in here is a DuraBlow, which happens to be the same company as the Wi-Fi controller that I just recently purchased. I know you can't see it, it's out of camera view, but here's the power wires coming into the blower from the controller. So one hot wire goes here, ground wire. The other hot wire, turn you around where you can see it, actually runs up here to a temperature sensor that's on the bottom of the fireplace. When this gets hot enough, it'll open up and the fireplace blower will start, and then when it cools down, it turns itself off. And then the other wire goes back to the fireplace blower to complete the circuit.
Sorry, I temporarily lost my audio here. I wired in an outlet box in here rather than using that Y adapter. And I'm going to plug in the power source for the blower. I'm also going to plug in the USB power source for the Wi-Fi control unit. Okay, here's the simple connections to the gas valve. You plug in one wire to the TH prongs and the other wire to the TP-TH prongs. It's as simple as that. So if you have a gas valve like this, it's a really simple two-wire connection.
So I got everything put back together. And this actually works with Amazon or any other smart home devices, but check it out. Alexa, turn on the fireplace. Alexa, turn off the fireplace. When you turn it off, whether using the voice command or by the app, the fan will run for 30 seconds just to clear out any residual gas fumes. Alright, so I've got the screen record on now on my phone. I'm going to show you the app, how that works. So we're going to begin by hitting the main power down here. See that it kicks on. You can set your temperature either by the plus or the minus, or you can grab this circle and pull it around. If you want to set your fan speed, go to this thing. Lower fan speed, it's on off, low, medium, high, or you can use it on smart mode. I'm going to put it on smart mode. Call it done. Going to go back to the beginning. Let's set my temperature on too far down. Put it on about 72. So it kicks off again. Now, I'm going to touch, it has other settings on here. Do temperature swings, do a countdown, a timer for a turn off in an hour, turn off in 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. You can see that. A lot of different settings on here, but we're going to go ahead and turn it off. Same thing when you turn it off here. The fan will run for 30 seconds. and then it shuts off. Let's give it a whirl. Alexa, turn on the fireplace. Just like magic. Hey, thanks for stopping by and watching along with another project here on Haggett Hill. If you're not already subscribed, please do so and share my channel with your family and friends. Remember, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. If you don't like my content, I'll refund your money. But thanks again for watching here on Haggett Hill. Stop back by and see us sometime. And as always, God bless you and your family. Alexa, turn off the fireplace.